Welcome to Feisty Marketer. Today, I will tell you the Fiverr's unique gigs. Here's the 5 best low competition and high demands Fiverr gigs. Log in your account. The upper section have some categories. The first gig is related to graphic design. Click on Menu Design. Menu design is required for restaurant. There are 5,457 services are available. And, if seller searches by writing menu design, and click on the online sellers, then he will see the same gigs that the sellers are online at that time. Then, see there are 350 services available. Let's check the reviews. Here, it has 1K plus reviews, and, if I scroll the page, then see, it has also 734 reviews. This gig is related to food. That's why this is very high demanding, and, if you make this gig, then, hopefully you can get orders. Now, the second gig is also related to graphic design, then click on Resume Design. All over the world, people apply for jobs on a daily basis. And they required an attractive resume. Now, you can see, there are 6,170 services are available. And if we open the online seller filter, then you can see, 250 services are available. This is very high demanding service. Let's check the review. See, it has 1K plus reviews. Some has 242 and 474 reviews. If you make this gig, hopefully, you can get order. Now, the third gig is related to business. Click on Market Research. In this, client give you a topic, you can research the topic with the help of internet. Now, you can see, it has 6,385 services are available. Now let's check the gig's title. Firstly, you can see, I will do professional market research for your business. He's charging the 19,370 PKR. Next, you can see, I will conduct your survey with 500 respondents, and he's charging 4,470 PKR. If I click on Online Seller, then you can see, it has 474 services are available. This is very easy service, anyone can do easily. Now, the fourth gig is related to writing and translation. Click on Beta Reading. In beta reading, if someone has written a book and has to publish it online or get it printed. So, he gets some people to read, to get some opinion, and, if there are any mistake, then they can be removed. Now, you can see, maximum 2,826 services are available. And, if we click on Online Seller, the 71 services are available. This is also very easy service, because, there are low competition here. And now, last gig is also related to writing and translation. Click on Business Names and Slogans. In this, you have to recommend the business names and slogans. Maximum 3,334 services are available. Look, there are also low competition here. This is very unique service, because you have to think a little bit in it. And if I click Online Seller, then you can see 185 services are available. The competition of these gigs is low and also quite high. So, if you make these gig, then, hopefully, you'll get orders soon on Fiverr. This gigs is very easy and anyone can make it. Thanks for watching.